This is the MSI Titan GT77, one of the fastest gaming laptops that you can find in the market right now. This particular model is powered by a 12th generation Intel Core i7 12800HX processor and NVIDIA RTX 3070 Ti GPU. It is selling for around $2,600 on Amazon. Now, MSI is planning to introduce the RTX 40 series configuration of this laptop sometime this year, but at the time of making this video, that model is not yet available. So let's talk about the CPU. So the Intel Core i7 12800HX, it's a monster CPU with 16 cores and 24 threads. And with 8 performance cores that can boost up to 4.8 GHz, this laptop is capable of delivering top-tier performance. In fact, it scores an impressive 33,753 points in the Passmark CPU benchmark, putting it in the league of gaming desktop PCs. It also has 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and 1 TB of NVMe SSD storage. So let's talk about the display. This laptop comes with a 17.3-inch 4K screen with a refresh rate of 120 Hz and 100% DCI-P3 color gamut. So that makes this display perfect for not just playing your favorite games at high frame rates, it will also delight content creators who edit pictures and videos on their laptops. With a bright screen and a high contrast ratio, this laptop should be perfect for ultimate gaming sessions, for content creation, or if you just want to chill out watching 4K videos on YouTube, Netflix, or Amazon Prime. Next, let's talk about the gaming performance of this laptop. So RTX 3070 Ti GPU supports ray tracing and DLSS AI acceleration, and that boosts the frame rates without sacrificing image quality. It delivers very good performance compared to other popular laptop GPUs. Take a look at this chart showing the average FPS that you can expect to get on this laptop while playing popular titles in 1080p settings. But performance is only one side of your gaming experience. You also want your gaming laptop to have excellent thermals so that the CPU, the GPU and other components in the laptop, you don't want them to overheat, and if they overheat then your CPU will start throttling and you will see an overall degradation in performance. And I think here MSI has done a good job. So they have equipped this laptop with 4 fans, 7 pipes and 6 exhaust vents to keep the laptop running cool while maximizing the CPU and GPU performance. And with the MSI Center software utility, you can customize fan speeds and control various thermal parameters in this laptop. But it's not all bed of roses. So all the performance and the cooling that this laptop is delivering, it eats up the battery life very quickly. So even with a monster 100 Wh battery capacity that MSI Titan GT77 is coming with, this laptop will struggle to deliver more than 2 hours of battery life under heavy load. So I expect that you will be mostly using this laptop plugged in while you are playing your favorite games, or if you are doing content creation, video editing or any other heavy demanding task. In conclusion, MSI Titan GT77 is one of the best large screen gaming laptops that you can find in the market right now, and this laptop can easily replace your desktop. It delivers excellent gaming performance as well as content creation capabilities for video and photo editing.